Hey guys, how are you? I hope everyone is doing well. So my name is Tin, and I'm coming in here today to record this really quick video. I came here because I really want to talk to you guys about this fantastic product called Joint Restore Gummies, so stick around and stay tuned until the end of this video. It's going to be very quick, but I have some information that I think you would like to know about Joint Restore Gummies and things that you should know about Joint Restore Gummies before you actually buy this product, so stay tuned. First of all, and most importantly, you should know where you are going to get Joint Restore Gummies. Keep in mind that Joint Restore Gummies has an official website, and to help you and make your lives easier, I am going to leave his official website just in the description box below this video, and that is the only place on the entire internet where you can get the original Joint Restore Gummies. Be very careful because there are people trying to sell them in other places like other websites and things like that, but you should be on the lookout for fakes. That is why I am saying that you can only get the original Joint Restore Gummies from the official website. So that being said, this supplement works great as it is pure and a powerful 100% natural gummies that will help solve your knee and leg pain, as besides numerous natural and concentrated ingredients, Joint Restore Gummies has a special ingredient, the full spectrum hemp oil, that has additional terpenes that have proven to be a super effective anti-inflammatory but also stimulates cell growth in the brain and muscle tissue. Studies have shown that this miraculous oil in just 2 hours decreased 80% of the inflammatory process. And one thing you should know is that because it is natural, it means that there are no side effects, no contraindication, and anyone can take Joint Restore Gummies. I am telling you this, that is why there are thousands of people having excellent results with Joint Restore Gummies out there, and everyone is delighted with it. However, you should keep a very clear mind that once you start taking Joint Restore Gummies, you should keep your treatments very strict, because you should take 1 or 2 gummies a day, and as it is natural, it will take time for your body to adapt well. So as we all have different metabolisms, people will have faster results than others, but you just have to be patient, because Joint Restore Gummies will work for you too, but you have to be patient, and like I said, take 1 or 2 gummies every day. So keep that in mind. And here is a really fun part. Like, if you just want to test it and see if it will work, you can actually test it for 30 days, and if for whatever reason, whatever your reasons are, you just don't like it anymore, you can ask for a refund and they will give you 100% of your money back. So keep that in mind. Well, folks, that's why I wanted to record this video first of all, to tell you where to get Joint Restore Gummies, what it's from and what it does, and be sure to check out their official website, alright? Through there you can read people's feedback, you can read more about their natural ingredients, and check out the amazing packages they are selling. Thank you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around. Bye.